In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove Ray-Ban lenses. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to remove the lenses on any Ray-Ban models that you have. I'm gonna showcase how to do it in the standard aviators with metal frames and how to do it in glasses that have plastic frames or other different materials. First, for these ones that have metal frames and screws, you will need a screwdriver. So you will actually need to loosen these screws in order to properly remove the lenses. You cannot just brute force it the way through. So for these ones, if you notice screws on the side, pull out a screwdriver and you have to loosen them. You don't have to fully remove them. If you do, just make sure that you place them somewhere nearby where you won't lose them because you will need to reattach them later. Loosening them should be enough for the lens to pop out. So after the screws are undone and you loosen them up, you will be able to open this metal frame. So it is going to essentially come apart like this. Once it comes apart because it is missing the screw here, the lenses should pop out. You can do this for both lenses or only one if it's scratched, damaged, and so on. Now, grab your replacement if you have one, put it in place of the old one, and essentially you will be putting the metal frame around it, so it essentially snugs the lenses into place. Once it is surrounding the lens like this, you will align these metal parts and of course insert the screw again. Afterwards, just make sure that it is properly hardened and not loose, and with this done, the lenses should have been replaced. If you have these models that don't have screws, so these plastic models, all that you have to do is pop them out using force. This will take a little bit of force, but don't be scared. Of course, be careful not to break them, but you should be gentle, yet you should push on it until they come out. And once they do pop out, you insert the new ones in place. You can consider using some warm water because this can help make the plastic or the material more malleable, but it isn't a strict requirement. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Ray-Ban lenses. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.